Okay, what we're going to do here is we're going to cut a 1-inch circle. Sorry if you couldn't hear me. We're going to cut a 1-inch circle out of 9-ounce vegtan leather, and let's give this a start. A little bit off. Maybe I can't up the power at all. The power is at 100%, so maybe we can drop the speed by 1. But that was very smoky, and it looked like it was close to triggering that silly little alarm. Anyway, we'll give it another shot in the future here. This was just a real quick test because, hey, it was requested. There we go, folks. Bye.